and welcome to Happy Creating. Today I'm going to show you how to do leaf printing with leaves from your backyard. You'll need to find some leaves from outside that are soft and not crumbly. You'll need some watercolor markers like Mr. Sketch markers or Crayola markers, a Sharpie marker or a black marker if you want to write a message, paper towels, and a small spray bottle. Remember, if you like what you've created today, subscribe to my channel, leave any comments and questions below. Let's get started. Using a scrap piece of paper, choose one of your leaves and a color marker, and begin coloring carefully over your entire leaf. You want to make sure that you're filling in all of the spaces. You can try to color the stem, but I usually am not very successful at getting the stem to print as well. Once you've finished adding color to the leaf, you're going to prepare a piece of paper for printing. To prepare your paper, just squirt a small squirt of water wherever you want to print the leaf. I use my paper towel to wipe up the excess water, but then I lay my leaf down, put my paper towel on top of the leaf, and I just give it a quick rub. And when I lift up my leaf, my print has transferred to the paper. You can repeat this process for different shapes of leaves, different kinds of leaves, and different colors. Every time making sure you're coloring in the entire leaf, spraying your paper, and pressing down with a paper towel so your hands don't get too dirty. You can fill the page with as many leaves as you want, overlapping and adding texture as you go. In the very end, you can add a message of your choice, happy fall, or things that you are grateful for. I hope you enjoyed creating and printing with leaves. Happy creating!